Hello everyone, welcome back to iTech Studios. Today I'm revealing 26 secret run command tools that every Windows 10 and 11 user should know. These commands can speed up your workflow, fix hidden problems, and uncover powerful settings buried deep inside Windows without installing any extra software. Let's dive in. Before we begin, here is a quick refresher. You can open the run box in two simple ways. The first method is by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open or launch the Run dialog box. Either way, you can right-click on the Start menu and then select Run from the pop-up list. Now the Run box is ready. Let's jump into the commands. The first command is used to open drives instantly. Want to open your drives without using File Explorer? Assuming I want to open drive C, simply type C:, then you hit Enter on your keyboard. This opens your drive C instantly. And if you need your drive D, simply type D:, then you hit Enter on your keyboard. This will give you instant access to that drive. No more clicking through folders. For this command, just type CALC, then you hit Enter on your keyboard. You will get the calculator app ready for use. Simple, fast and perfect for multitasking. Next up, if you want to connect to another PC instantly, type MSTSC, hit Enter on your keyboard, and you will see the remote desktop connection window. In a provided space, type your target computer name and connect remotely in seconds. Great for IT professionals or remote work setups. Next up, type PSR. Hit Enter on your keyboard. This opens the Steps Recorder app, a secret tool that records every step you take on your PC. Perfect for tutorials or sending back reports with automatic screenshots. To record your steps, click on Start Record and perform a few actions. Once you are done, click Stop and Review. This will open a window showing screenshots of all the actions that you did. It also gives you additional details about your actions, like the recorded section including the date and then the time, recorded steps, operating system, and then a written form of your action. If you want to save, head to the top and then click on Save. Give the file a name. You select your location, then you click Save. The next command is used to open Task Manager. You probably already know a few ways to open it, but here is a new one. Click the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type Task MGR. Press Enter on your keyboard. This will make the Task Manager appear instantly. From here, you can monitor your performance. You can also kill laggy apps and keep your PC running smooth. For the next command, type MRT. Press Enter on your keyboard. Click Yes to continue. This will open Microsoft's malicious software removal tool, a built-in malware scanner that detects and deletes hidden threats. To scan your PC, click Next. You will have the option to choose the type of scan you want, either Quick Scan, which will scan areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software, or Full Scan. This will scan the entire system, and you must know that this scan can take up to several hours on some computers. And the last being Customized Scan, which is in addition to the Quick Scan. These two will also scan the contents of a user-specified folder. After choosing your type of scan, click Next, and then the tool will start scanning your PC for malware. Want to tweak your brightness, scaling, or screen resolution? Type desk.cpl. Hit Enter on your keyboard. This opens your display settings panel directly. No need to dig through the settings app. From here, you can tweak your brightness. You can also tweak the night light, that is, use warmer colors to help block blue light. You also have the option for color profile. You can also scale, which is change the size of text and apps or other items. You can also adjust the screen resolution to fit your connected display. You can also choose the presentation mode for your display, which is the multiple displays. You also have related settings, which is the advanced display, which gives you display information about your display adapters. Next up, for advanced users and Windows tweakers, type REGEDIT, which is regedit. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Click Yes to continue. This will open the registry editor. Here is where all your Windows system settings live. Be careful though, don't change anything if you are not sure. Next, type services.msc. Hit Enter on your keyboard. This brings up all background Windows services. You can disable unnecessary ones to speed up your PC or fix startup issues. And you can disable an unnecessary service by highlighting one, right-clicking on it and then clicking on Properties. Under Startup Type, click on it for a drop-down and then select Disabled. You click Apply, then you click OK. Next, type log off. Then you hit OK on your keyboard. This instantly locks out your account. No confirmation needed. Handy when you are on a shared computer. Next up, want to shut down your PC instantly. Type shutdown /S. Then you hit enter on your keyboard. This will shut down your PC instantly. And to restart instead, type shutdown /. This time change the S to R. Then you hit enter on your keyboard. Simple, powerful, and great for automating system restarts. For the next command, type perfmon.msc. Hit enter on your keyboard. This is a real-time tool that tracks your CPU, RAM, and network activity. If your PC is running slow, this helps identify what's hogging your resources. For the next command, type dccw. Hit enter on your keyboard. This launches the display color calibration. This is where you can fine-tune brightness, contrast, and gamma to make your monitor colors perfect. As it says here, you can improve the color on your display by using display color calibration to make sure that colors appear accurately. For the next command, type clean mgr. Hit enter on your keyboard. Then you click OK. This tool helps remove junk files, temporary files, and system cache. You can also delete your recycle bin, that is empty the recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and etc. Then you click OK. Then you click delete files. This will free up storage and improve speed on your PC. Just select your drive, take what you want to delete, and click OK. For the next command, type resmon. Then hit enter on your keyboard. This shows exactly how your CPU, disk, and network are being used. If your system lags, use this to find what's eating up your resources. Next, type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter on your keyboard. This will open network connections directly, where you can change internet service providers, DNS, or troubleshoot network adapters. From here, you can right-click on any network adapter. Then you click Properties. Then from the list, you choose Internet Protocol version 4. Double-click, and then from here, you can enter your preferred internet service provider, which can help speed up your internet connections. You also have the option to configure your adapter. That is, you can tweak the internet adapter properties. You can also work on the drivers, that is, update, roll back, disable, or uninstall them. This is essential for fixing Wi-Fi or Ethernet issues. Next up, type appwiz.cpl. Hit enter on your keyboard. You will see a list of all installed programs, perfect for uninstalling apps quickly or disabling Windows features. From the left pane, you get to see the view installed updates and then the 10 Windows features on or off. Next up, type disk mgmt.msc. Hit enter on your keyboard. This will open the disk management window. From here, you can view all your drives. You can also create or delete partitions and format volumes safely. Great for setting up new SSD or hard drives. Next up, type dvmgmt.msc. Hit enter on your keyboard. This opens the device manager, the control center for your drives and hardware. From here, you can check for missing drivers, updates, or uninstall malfunctioning ones. The next command is old but good. Type control. Hit enter on your keyboard. This brings up the classic control panel for quick access to advanced Windows settings. From here, you can tweak your system and security settings, user account settings, appearance and personalization, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, clock and region. And from the top right, you can view them by large icons. You can also view them by small icons. Next up, type OS key and hit enter. The on-screen keyboard pops up, handy if your physical keyboard isn't working or you are using a touchscreen device. Next up, type charm AP and hit enter. This brings up the character map, where you can copy and paste special symbols, emojis, and accented letters. Great for writers or designers. For the next command, type msconfig. Hit enter on your keyboard. This opens the system configuration window. From here, you can manage your startup apps. You can also manage the boot settings, that is, boot into safe mode. From this same configuration window, you can also manage services by disabling unnecessary ones. This command is a must-know for troubleshooting. Now on to the last but one command. Type msinfo32. Hit enter. From here, you will get a complete breakdown of your system. That is the operating system manufacturer, the operating system version, BIOS version and date, the BIOS mode, secure boot state, installed physical memory, the total physical memory, the available virtual memory, drivers, and then many more. This command is perfect when you need your system specs at a glance. Now on to the last command, which is a bonus tip, the command history. Finally, here is a small hack. Once you've used these commands, Windows keeps a short history. After opening the Run dialog box, press the down arrow in the Run box, and you can quickly rerun any of your previous commands. No need to type again. You can also click on the arrow for a long drop down. From here, you can choose your preferred command and just run it. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful Windows tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which run command you found most useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.